The year is 2025, but not the one written in history books. This world runs on gears, steam, and ingenuity. Towering brass skyscrapers pierce the sky, their exteriors covered in intricate pipes and glowing gas lamps. Airships float lazily above the city, their massive propellers churning through thick clouds of steam. The streets below are alive with the clanking of mechanical limbs, the rhythmic hissing of pneumatic engines, and the chatter of people adorned in leather, brass, and intricate clockwork accessories. In the heart of New London, a city rebuilt upon the ruins of the old world, an inventor named Elias Thorne works tirelessly in his workshop. His hands, clad in soot-covered gloves, tinker with a device that could change everything, a perpetual steam engine, one that never runs out of power. If he succeeds, factories will no longer need coal, airships will fly indefinitely, and the balance of power will shift forever. But such innovation does not go unnoticed. The Iron Syndicate, a shadowy organization controlling the city's energy supply, has eyes everywhere. Its leader, Lord Castigan, a man with a mechanical arm and a monocle powered by gears, is determined to keep New London dependent on his industry. He sends his enforcers, clad in dark trench coats and brass-plated gauntlets, to retrieve Elias's invention, by any means necessary. Late one evening, Elias hears the unmistakable hum of steam-powered boots approaching his door. He grabs the prototype and slips out the back, disappearing into the labyrinthine alleys of the city. Above him, mechanical bird spies of the syndicate scan the streets with glowing red eyes. He ducks into an underground speakeasy where revolutionaries gather in secret. Among them is Captain Helena Graves, an airship pilot and leader of the resistance. "You've made something dangerous, Thorne," Helena says, her voice laced with both admiration and concern. "That engine could set us free, or get you killed." Elias nods, glancing at the device in his hands. "Then we take to the skies. We finish what we started." Helena grins, adjusting her aviator goggles. "Then let's fly." As they board the Iron Tempest, Helena's airship, the syndicate's forces storm the speakeasy. Below, the city erupts into chaos as revolutionaries and enforcers clash in the streets. The sky is thick with steam and gunpowder. Helena pilots the ship through the chaos, engines roaring as it rises above the city. Lord Castigan watches from his tower, his mechanical fingers tightening into a fist. "Bring them down," he growls. Scat's ships engage in battle, steam cannons firing across the night sky. Elias, gripping the rail, makes a choice. He activates the perpetual engine. The ship surges forward with newfound power, leaving their pursuers in the dust. Below, the people of New London see the impossible, a machine that defies their chains. A spark is lit and revolution begins.